We have some Sauvignon Blanc here, and then we've experimented with some different white varieties. So this is Aligote. Just past me here, you have another French variety called Melon de Bourgogne. And they're high yielding white varieties, which puts a lot of weight and tension on the wires. For example, in these varieties, we try and get around 6 to 7 tons per acre, where in Pinot, it's more like 3 to 4. So there's a lot more tension and weight on these wires. For us as a grower, the heavier the yield, the better it is for us. But it ties back to the importance of the use of the gripples, because with these heavier varieties, it puts a lot more tension on the wires, which means we need something that we can rely on to keep the wires tense. All this new vineyard stuff you see here was planted over the last basically 2.5 years. So these are what we call catch wires that we use to essentially catch the canopy as it grows up. Over the year, we have 2 sets of catch wires, this top one, this bottom one. At the beginning of the year, the bottom one actually starts down below here, and we need to be able to take them and pull them way out and essentially get the canopy up in there as it's growing to make sure those shoots are growing upright and in a position so things aren't crowded out, basically. We use the Gripple and really enjoy using the Gripple because it allows us to adjust tension as needed. And basically, usually as needed is just to increase tension over time once the wires kind of start to lose it. The great thing that Wayne introduced us to is this tie-back system. I showed you that other one over there where all the workers had to come through, twist a set of wires, tie it on the anchor. That earth anchor would move a lot and it would cause issues. So now we use this wire system with gripples on the, or a gripple on the inside here to make that tie-back process more effective and then a lot easier and a lot quicker. Like, our workers loved when we switched to this. I was skeptical because it was definitely more expensive than our system, but I think in just the time it took for us to install these, we made that money back like immediately because it was way quicker. The employees were way happier, and over time, if we do start to see movement with our earth anchors, our issues, it's gonna be a really easy fix. That's kind of our setup here for all of our recently planted vineyards, and it's what we'll continue to do moving forward.